Yes, please.
Welcome to Llano del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. Nestled on the northwest coast of Mindanao, this province is a hidden gem, rich with natural wonders and cultural treasures. Here, waterfalls cascade from lush mountains, lakes sparkle under the sun, valleys stretch wide and green, and the seas offers some of the finest crabs and seafood in the Philippines. But beyond the breathtaking landscapes, Llano del Norte's true beauty lives in its people, a vibrant mix of cultures, traditions, and stories passed down through generations. With colorful history and harmonious blend of Christians, Muslim, and Luman communities, Llano del Norte is more than just a destination. It's a living story of resilience, faith, and unity. Guided by its Vision 2040, the province is moving boldly toward a future as a hub of sustainable agriculture, eco-cultural, and sports tourism, and strong, inclusive local governance. This is Llano del Norte, proud of its roots, united in its journey, and ready to welcome the world. At the heart of this vision stands the Mindanao Civic Center, a true beacon of sports, culture, and community. Located in the capital town of Cebu, the MCC spans 71 hectares of world-class facilities. It houses a 14,000-seat stadium, a trade center, hotel, cafeteria, gymnasium, Olympic-sized swimming pool, sports oval, and other state-of-the-art athletic venues. Since its opening, the MCC has opened doors for Llano del Norte, hosting national and regional competitions, major concerts, and even PBA games. From the Mindanao Friendship Games in 2001 to the Palarong Pambansa in 2003, it has become a true convergence zone where sports, arts, and people come together. And today, under the visionary leadership of Governor Imelda King Quebranzo de Mapor, the MCC continues to rise. Its football field now features FIFA-approved and certified football field with its newly installed synthetic turf grass. The first in the region, proving Llano del Norte's growing readiness to host national and international sporting events.
It was one of my dreams and of my late father's dream to see Llano del Norte grow and shine not just in agriculture but also through sports. I still remember back then when I was studying in the city, many of my classmates didn't even know about our province. That stayed with me and it became my mission. When I became the first lady governor in 1998, I was asked what my plans were. And I said, I want to bring Llano del Norte into the map. That dream inspired every step I took in public service. And through the years, that has been my guiding light to serve with pride, with purpose, and to showcase our province across our nation. I believe that to boost our tourism, we must not only showcase our natural beauty, we must also invest in tourism. For years, people feared visiting our province. But I am here to say, Llano del Norte is safe, welcoming, and ready to inspire. Thank you to the sports community, to Limonta Artificial Turf System, a preferred FIFA producer, and to Ricortan Oval Track System, the #1 track system producer worldwide, for being part of this journey and for helping us push this vision forward. I am hoping that this venture will bring us closer to realizing our goals, to support our young athletes and put Llano del Norte in the limelight, aim to inspire excellence and elevate our province into the national and even international stage.
This is Llano del Norte, a province with a vision, a province with a heart, and a future where sports and tourism bridges hope, unity, and pride.
Yes. hindi siya katulad ng Lanao del Norte na talagang may puso para sa sports, ano. Okay, so Pam, okay, si General Manager may message.
Yes, I just wanted to thank the governor for sending a message and also for sending her representatives. If they have questions about the facility later, they can answer it. But I also wanted to just clarify that Limonta is one of 9 preferred FIFA producers in the world, just one of 9. And also Recretan M, which she also mentioned, which we will build the oval track this quarter, is one of the, no, it's actually the brand that has made the most certified oval racks in the world. So we are exclusive distributors of both products because we only want to partner with the best. So I want to just reiterate how we are very keen on making facilities with the most stringent rules. Kasi if hindi namin ito gagawin para sa athletes natin, aalis sila ng bansa para mag-train. We don't want that anymore. We want them to be able to have access. So anyway, we just want to open the floor for questions, either to us or to our guests, Engineer Apat from MCC and Coach Cyril from DepEd.
Yes, okay. So sige, ikaw muna, Gab.
Okay, good morning. Good afternoon, Gapera Sports Corner PH. Kay Engineer Joseph naman po. Ano yung sabihin nating reaction ni Governor? Although nabanggit natin dun sa video na malaman na, of course, meron na tayong FIFA certified na turf na bago at talagang pwedeng nating ipabato ito compared dun sa mga iba pang mga high-end sports facilities dyan sa Mindanao and even nationwide ito, Engineer.
Of course, masaya siguro kasi first in the Mindanao na magkaroon ng FIFA national standards. At talagang aim ng governor, mga Dimapuros, kung paano i-uplift yung Lanao del Norte, not only in the field of sports but sa lahat ng mga development sa Mindanao.
Okay, kay Sir Cyril, anong reaksyon ng football community dyan sa inyong lugar knowing na of course meron na kayong bagong FIFA turf na ilalatag?
Actually, yung mga player doon, yung mga the children and the youth are very excited. And other parts of Mindanao are also envious because sa Mindanao, I think there are only 2 approved international standards na football field sa pagkakaalam ko. So, talagang masaya yung mga estudyante doon at saka yung mga kabataan.
Okay, last question dun sa mga representatives ng esports. With this, of course, the recent certification na binibigay nga sa Rizal Memorial and of course sa Mindanao Civic Center dyan sa Lanao, do you think mas marami pa mga iba pang mga football facilities magkakaroon din ng FIFA certification once na na-refurbish or ma-renovate into artificial turf itong mga facilities na ito? Thank you.
I don't know if we will have a lot more, but definitely, or if there will be FIFA certified, a lot more FIFA certified. But I can assure you that if it's esports built, whether it's certified or not, it will pass the quality because we are that confident in our installation.
No, actually, to answer your question, the answer is yes.
Yun.
No, kasi last year, 4. Ngayon, meron tayong 3. So, in other words, we have, if you go to the FIFA website, there are 7 valid certifications in our country. And then we are building 2 to 3 more. This year, I'm not talking about 2026. So, yun yung mga hinahabol pa this year. But there are others lined up, which I'm not really at liberty to say, but ang pinakamaganda is all of these are happening outside Metro Manila.
Yun.
Yes, Vito Redo.
Ayan, good afternoon.